The best eye care is eye training courses. Hi everyone, in this video I would like to share why eye training courses is the best eye care. Eye training courses are a great way to improve your vision and eye health. They can help you to reduce eye strain and fatigue, improve your focus and concentration, increase your peripheral vision, prevent or slow the progression of vision problems such as nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism, and reduce the risk of eye diseases such as glaucoma and macular degeneration. In this video, I'm going to talk about benefits of eye training courses. Reduce eye strain and eye fatigue. Eye training courses can help you to improve your eye movement and relaxation. This is especially important if you spend a lot of time looking at screens or doing other activities that require close-up vision. Improve your eye accommodation. Eye training courses can help you to improve eye focus by stretching the eye muscles in your eyes. This can be helpful for people with myopia, hyperopia, astigmatism. Eye training courses can help you to increase your peripheral vision, which is the area that you can see around your central focus. This can be helpful for seeing your surroundings in general, prevent or slow the progression of vision problems. Eye training courses are very effective in reversing the progression of vision problems such as nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. This is because eye training courses can help to stretch the muscles in your eyes and improve your vision overall. Also, eye training courses can help to improve blood flow to the eyes and protect the retina from damage. If you want to try an eye training course Eyesight Academy and implement clear vision habits in your life, a link in the description below.